Ladies and gentlemen, today I am excited to introduce you to an incredible opportunity that is about to take the market by storm and change your financial future. Get ready to experience the magic of manifesting wealth with our amazing offer. Manifesting wealth is the practice of using your thoughts and beliefs to create the financial abundance you desire in your life. It is a powerful tool that allows you to manifest wealth, success, and happiness into your reality. But with so many offers, it can be difficult to find one that is genuine and effective. That's where we come in. Our wealth manifestation offering is designed to help you achieve your financial goals with ease and confidence. We believe that everyone deserves to be rich, and we are committed to helping you manifest that abundance in your life. Our offering is a combination of expert advice, proven techniques, and a strong support system to help you manifest the wealth you desire. Whether you're struggling with financial anxiety or looking to take your wealth creation to the next level, we've got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Join us today and take the first step towards a better financial future. The sky's the limit with our wealth manifestation offering. The only limit is your imagination. So go ahead and believe in the power of manifesting wealth and watch your market explode.